Now question number 2. Give the geometrical representation of 2x plus 9 equal to 0 as an equation in one variable and in two variables. So 2x plus 9 is equal to 0 is a linear equation in one variable x only. This linear equation has a unique solution which can be obtained by solving this linear equation as 2x is equal to minus 9. X is equal to minus 9 by 2, or we can write minus 4.5. So 2x plus 9 equal to 0 is treated as a linear equation in one variable x, and it has a unique solution x equal to minus 9 by 2 or minus 4.5. This unique solution is a point on the number line. So this unique solution minus 4.5 or minus 9 by 2 can be represented on a number line like this. See this number line, this minus 9 by 2 or minus 5.4 lies between minus 4 and minus 5. So exactly middle point, center of minus 4 to minus 5 is minus 4.5. So this point on the number line represents x is equal to minus 9 by 2. So this way 2x plus 9 equal to 0 as an equation in one variable is represented on the number line. Also we have to represent 2x plus 9 equal to 0 as a linear equation in two variables. So second part, 2x plus 9 equal to 0, which is a linear equation in one variable x only, which can be written, which can be expressed as a linear equation in two variables as 2x plus 0 into y plus 9 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 9 equal to 0 is written as 2x plus 0y plus 9 equal to 0 as a linear equation in two variables. Now we have to represent it geometrically, or we can say we have to represent this linear equation in two variables graphically. So to represent it geometrically, or we can say graphically, we need some solutions of this linear equation in two variables. As coefficient of y is 0, whatever value of y as coefficient of y is 0, so for all values of y, 0 into y will be 0 and x will be equal to minus 9 by 2. So value of x in every solution of this linear equation will be always minus 9 by 2, and values of variable y will vary. Y can take any real value, but all the time, every time, value of x will be minus 9 by 2. So let us write a few solutions of this linear equation in this table, and you already know that value of x will not be changed. It will be every time minus 9 by 2 or minus 4.5. So minus 4.5 will be written minus 4.5. because value of x will be always minus 4.5 and value of y, if you write minus 1, then also value of y will be minus 4.5. If you write y equal to 0, then 0 into 0, 0, so 2x equal to minus 4.5. If you write y equal to 2, then also 2 into 0, 0, x equal to minus 4.5. If you write y equal to 3, then also 3 into 0, 0, and value of x will be minus 4.5. Even we can write many more solutions of this linear equation. So here in the table we have written 4 solutions. Now we shall plot minus 4.5 comma minus 1, minus 4.5 comma 0, minus 4.5 comma 2, minus 4.5 comma 3. We shall plot these 4 points on the graph paper. So let us plot these points on this graph paper where coordinate axes are drawn and points are marked on both the axes. First point is minus 4.5 comma minus 1. So let us find first minus 4.5 on x-axis. It is exactly in at the center of minus 4 to minus 5. This point is minus 4.5 and y is minus 1. So this point will be minus 4.5 comma minus 1, this point. Next point minus 4.5 comma 0. So this point on x-axis minus 4.5 comma 0. Next point minus 4.5 comma 2. So y is 2. So this point minus 4.5 comma 2. Next point minus 4.5 comma 3. So this point minus 4.5 comma 3. So these 4 points we have plotted on this graph paper. Now let us join these points through a straight line. For that we shall use ruler and draw a line joining all these 4 points like this. This line is drawn passing through 4 points which we plotted on the graph paper, and this straight line is parallel to y-axis, which is actually graph of this linear equation 2x plus 0y plus 9 equal to 0. So this 2x plus 9 equal to 0 is geometrically represented as an equation in 2 variables by this straight line parallel to y-axis. Now near this straight line we are going to write this equation 2x plus 0y plus 9 equal to 0 as a linear equation in 2 variables. So 2x plus 0y plus 9 is equal to 0, and this straight line parallel to y-axis represents 2x plus 9 equal to 0 as an equation in 2 variables.